Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are very new, then hey, hi, hello, this is Nimit Kotian. Yes, this is my channel. I basically upload dance videos and dance tutorials. So today I'm gonna be teaching Kabhi Kabhi Aditi routine after a lot of public demands. So yes, I'm grateful and able to share the routine to you guys. Okay, so now have fun and yes, let me know how was the routine and how was the tutorial, and yeah, share with me the next tutorial that you want to learn. Alright, now have fun. Alright everyone, let's begin with the tutorial Kabhi Kabhi Aditi. Alright, so the video is mirrored. So this is my right hand, this is my left, okay? Alright, so let's begin with the class. Okay, so you have to join your feet together. Okay, the first step, you just have to open your left leg with both the arm. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Then from here, you have to do this. So you're pointing towards your head, and then you have to go down 1. Okay, so from here 6, 7, 8, I will do the wave and I go down 1, 2. So I'm doing the upper body wave 1, 2. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it with the lyrics 6, 7, 8. So right. Okay, now from here just put your right leg forward and go 1, 1, 2. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm just tapping my toe 1. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 1. So my hand, both the hand will do the wave upside up, and then when I land I point front and I do this 1, 2. Okay, so from the top 6, 7, 8. सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको. Let's do it one more time. 6, 7, 8. सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको. Okay, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको. Okay, now from here you have to lift your left leg and with the hands here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, so left and on right and on left. Okay, but when you lift your leg, I want you to move your shoulder. So 1, 2,